So in this question we need to find increasing triplet subsequence. So we need to find such three numbers which follow this condition: ai is less than aj and aj is less than ak, such that I is less than j, j is less than k. Okay, so how to solve this question? So we need to define three numbers. So one is left and one is mid and last one is right. Okay, and just assign left and mid to the plus infinite and use this right to iterate this array from 0 to n minus 1. So and just compare this right to these two numbers, left and mid. So the first condition should be if the right is greater than mid. If right is greater than mid, so we can say that we found the triplet. Like these two numbers are already plus infinite. So if the right is greater than mid means right is already greater than these two numbers. So we can return, we said we found the triplet and return true. But in case if right is not greater than true, so there are three conditions also. So we can solve that one. So just first, so right is 25. So right is like less than mid, 25 is less than mid, and also less than left. So we assign left 25. So the condition is if right is less than mid, so we can simply say that, not like this. So we can say that if right is less than left, so we assign left equal to right. Right means this array is num, so num of right. So and just move the right to just plus 1. So now in the so 10 is also less than mid and also less than left. So again we assign left to the 10 and move the right plus 1. So again 3 is less than left. Now 4. So 4 is greater than left. Okay, so yeah, so we found here another case. So 4 is less than mid but greater than left. So in this case, if we can say that if num of right, so in this case num of right lies here. Okay, so if num of right is less than mid and num of right is greater than left, so in this case we assign right value to the mid. So we can say that mid is equal to 4. Okay, so next case, so 26. So already we said that if right is greater than mid, so in this 26, so 26 already greater than the mid. So we can say that we found the triplet. So in the simple way we only just compare this right number to these two numbers. So we check the right is lie here. If the right is lies here, so we assign left to the num of right. If right is lie between these two numbers, so we assign right to the mid. And the your terminating case is if the right is greater than mid. So first compare this right to mid. If right is greater than mid, then just return the true. And second two and other two cases are just compare if right is lie here or right is lies here. So yeah, so actually this problem is from the LeetCode. So you can solve like this simple. There is simple code. So I assign the left to the plus infinite and mid also plus infinite, and just iterate I we can say that right I is right. So nums and compare all these three cases. If I is greater than mid, so just return the true. And second case is if I is less than mid and greater than mid, means I is lie between the mid and left, so just assign the right value to the mid. And the third case is if I is less than left, means if the last one case means then the right value is like lies less than left, so just assign left to the I value and just return false. If this case was not terminate here, so it automatically came here and return the false.